What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back for another shave. It's been a while. Today I'm going to be shaving with Barrister and Mann's First Snow. Right now we got a big nor'easter moving up the east coast of the United States, and it looks like I'm going to be snowed in for 2 days. So brush I'm going to be using is my Omega Barbell Pro brush here, and got it preloaded. We're just going to lather up here. Only got a day's worth of growth on the chin, so I'm just going to do a quick one-pass shave. Just to get smooth. Yeah, my work has already called, already closed, I should say. I just got the text notification not too long ago that operations are going to be shut down for the day, so, which I'm happy. The area I live in is pretty remote, and the roads are really windy and narrow, and I was not looking forward to the morning commute tomorrow. So this scent is really, really nice. It is a seasonal scent, and it's basically fir needle and leather. The most dominant note on this shaving soap is the fir needle. I don't really get the leather, to be honest with you. But I do get the fir needle, and the fir needle is nice. I love fir needle. That looks good. We're going to stop here. Yeah, so it's been a while since I've made a video. I've been pretty busy. Haven't gotten anything new in the den. I've actually kind of taken a break from buying shaving soaps. I have so much stuff. I don't even think I'll ever use it all, but everything I have I really, really like. I don't really see a need to buy any more until I use up some of the stuff that I got back here. So I'm probably not going to be making videos as much as I used to. But I'm not going to stop the channel completely. I'm going to still leave my content up, and I'm going to make videos every now and then. So I'll pop in here and there. Been going to be using the Wex Sexta blade here. Ton of uses on this blade. Here we go. One pass. I did take a little bit of a break from making videos and grew out a beard. Didn't really like the way it looked though. So I got rid of the beard, and I'm keeping the mustache. My wife liked the beard. I didn't like it though. Comes in a little patchy on the cheeks. I probably should have given it a little more time, but I kind of miss shaving. Man, for not having much growth on the chin here, I'm really getting a lot of feedback. All right. Yeah, that's good. We're gonna stop here. Just a quick shave. And lately that's all I've been doing. I've just been doing single pass shaves just to clean things up. The hair grows back pretty quick. So typically I've been shaving, letting it go for 7 days. Oh, where's that aftershave? Here it is. Brussels green is going to be the aftershave tonight. I don't have the matching scent. Good healthy dose. Nice shave. Very nice shave. And off camera, Going to be finishing off with a Zingari Man post-shave balm. Really good balm here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to do it for this video. Hope to see you guys again soon. Take care. I'll see you again for another video.